Guys, we're ready. We're ready. I've already practiced up enough in only 300 exact attempts. I did like 5 map packs off camera. They really just take up a lot of videos. And my videos would be really long, or there would just be so many I need to upload so quick if I were to try to defeat them all so fast. So yeah, I just don't show them, but they do help you become a better player, which I'm already good enough and that I've already gotten decently near improved as much as it can improve you. But I came back, so I need to redo those map packs to re-improve myself later. But I seem to be much better at this game actually now. After that, for some reason, in certain levels, it's definitely with demons. So I tackle them with a little bit more knowledge. It's probably just because I defeated quite a couple demons, so I know them pretty good. But yeah, let's get straight into theory of everything too. This part wasn't that hard. I just wasn't focusing on my jumps. There is a pattern to that makes it much easier. Trust me, guys. So I want to go with all 3 coins on this level. That's a decently hard coin. But there, I'm gonna get to it. For now, I'm gonna shut up till we get there. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Here is pretty annoying, but after you get used to it, it's pretty easy. And there, I just wasn't focusing enough on the jumps either. So yeah. Anyways, I'll probably be quiet except for on the UFOs will count my jumps, so yeah. Because this is hard. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 1. Oh, frick! I wasn't in the right portal position there. If you're not, you're kind of screwed up for your counting for your jumps. Usually, unless you can literally do 4 that quick, and then switch immediately to 1 when you switch gravity, which is really hard. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Frick! It's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 on that part. So here you go down to for that coin. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. Frick. I'll do it in my head now. A lot of this you can figure out on your own. I need to concentrate. Frick. This is also one of my favorite levels of all time, by the way. For a demon. Aw, dang it, that's not that bad of a part. Once you get used to it. See, I just stopped for some reason, because I felt like I was holding the button down for too long. And you don't go and hold right before you enter that portal because you're gonna die trying to get that coin then. You also need to stay low. But yeah. Enough of that, back to the level. Oh, dang it, that's not that bad, but you can see I get it wrong. I just spam because my mind isn't keeping track of it. It's just trying to get it done. And game, I'm so used to spamming a lot because a lot of levels require like super insane spamming speeds that it's hard to time my jumps correctly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Oh, frick! So here's pretty simple. I'm gonna explain it more now. It's just basic. Here you gotta wait, and then here you gotta stay low, hit get the coin. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. See, there you gotta wait a bit more if you're in that position. But it is much easier to do it, with the way I've come up with than most people come up with. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. See, sometimes I do 4 there when I'm not supposed to. Because I don't know why. I just feel like it's not enough to do just 3. When I should really rely on what I've practiced. Seriously? Yeah, that oftentimes happens to me, guys. You're just gonna have to deal with it. This part isn't hard. See, sometimes I do it a bit slow, and you can do 4 there really fast, and it also works. But usually it just doesn't work for me. I'll try it. No way! That's freaking bull crap that I died there. Because that's not that bad. I don't know how that's so bad for me. I just can't get used to stopping the ship at the right time due to the physics of it. Because if you stop, but you've gone up for a certain time, the way it works with gravity on the ship is it's gonna go up a little bit more and then come down. Except for the mini ship when it's really fast. It's really hard to explain how ridiculous the physics of it is. And oh my gosh, like I don't know why I failed those freaking easy UFO parts. No way! No freaking way! One, two. That was easy. I don't know why I failed. Come on. No way, that's freaking hard though. That part is hard. I'm not mad. I always say it's easy, but it's not. That part is hard to deal with at first. Usually I should get used to it decently quick, though, but I don't usually practice that part. I did practice a lot of parts I struggled with. Frick you, you freaking Slowpoke! You're a freaking Slowpoke from Pokemon who has like the slowest speed stats in the world. Like, can you even keep up with the freaking fast-paced level and not die in the process? Because that would be great if you could. Oh my freaking gosh, that was so close and so sketchy. But of course I died straight after, because I'm thinking of how that was so close. Like, did you see how I barely just avoided dodging, avoided that spike? Just them jukes, man. Them jukes. And of course, I always die there, because that's not that hard, but it's not that easy either to deal with that usually, unless you're at the perfect angle. And the perfect angle in that part isn't too hard to get, because you have a little room, but it's also very easy to fail there and die to that one little part that's open. Like, a lot of people have probably died there once, at least, trying to get that coin. Like, the probability of that is just way too high. So, if you don't want to die to there a lot, you're just gonna have to be good at everything else in the level. But I'm not that bad with this part. So, I mean, I practiced, like, every part except for, like, that one ship part at, like, the halfway point, which I usually don't need to practice, because I'm usually good with that, because I practiced that part ridiculously long, I was originally going through it. No, I don't have to beat it today, but I would still love, like, a 70% record. Frick you! Like, this isn't... It's not that bad to do that part. I'm not saying it's super easy. Never should you say that about a demon, that is super easy. Except for maybe the Lightning Road and the Nightmare. Because it's literally super easy. They're the two easiest demons in the game. In fact, now if there were the reasonable ratings we have now back then, that would be rated like a 3-star normal. No joke. freaking gosh! Oh my gosh, yes! This is gonna kill me, isn't it? Yep! That wasn't even the coin part! That coin, though, is really, really, really hard. It's hard. It's hard, okay? It's hard. I'm gonna be here for a while, guys. Yeah, like I said, I wasn't expecting to beat it today, but geez, that was a good score for not really have played the level, to have really tried the level actually in ages. Just 349 attempts, and we're already rocking it. I mean, Death Moon is definitely taking a lot longer. I struggled with it far more than that level. Death Moon, when I was back all the time ago, but now I play this and it's not that bad. I still consider Death Moon harder than Clubstep, which is ridiculous considering I used to consider Clubstep like a very hard level. It was my actually. I'm not gonna lie, I actually find Theory of Everything in certain Theory of Everything too. Some parts make it are harder than really Clubstep in general, but overall the level is easier than Clubstep. Not by much, but is. Also, this level is really easy too. Like, I feel like I have more control over my icon, over my ship, depending on the icon. And with that one, I feel like I have very good control. But there's one other that's for like 180 user coins, which I did have in the past, which I just feel like I have so much more ability to straighten my movements. But with this, I also feel like it's gonna help me. Also, that icon I'm using, there's this guy named Riot. He defeated one of the hardest levels in the game a bit ago, like a year ago, more than a year ago, actually. The third hardest level in this game now, but back when he verified it, it was uncompetable by any other level ever. So, like, literally just a few months ago, when it was torn off the #1 spot. And by, like, a few months ago, I mean, like, 2. So, yeah, it's insane. Let's go with this final attempt on Death Moon, and then we're gonna call it a day. Oh yeah, we're doing good. Oh my gosh, people say it's only 3 jumps needed for each one, but on the last one, I always feel 4 is always gonna get me there on that last part. But yeah, enough of that. I've had too much practice on this. I probably had like almost 1,500 attempts on it. Yeah. 64% TOE2. Yeah, that's not that bad. But yeah, usually I, like, I was so used to those back then. I was so used to Theory of Everything 2 back when I was doing it, though, that when I went back to go for 3 coins, because back then I didn't really think it was much of a deal to have to defeat it, because I would have known it's still really better than I did before, so it would be defeated very quick. But yeah. And it only took me like 100 attempts to go back and do it, because I was so familiar with it. Like, literally, yeah, I'm also gonna play some user levels off camera, probably while I practice that stuff. But yeah. Anyways, we did some fun on this, but yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll probably either defeat Death Moon or TOE2, aka Theory of Everything 2, next time you see me on Geometry Dash. I also was thinking of Minecraft as a replacement for Terraria for the time being, but yeah, so we'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching, once again. I hope you enjoyed, once again, and I'll see you next time, when we're either gonna defeat Death Moon or Theory of Everything 2. Bye!